You're at 8 centimeters.
Good. Two more, I can push.
9 centimeters.
Great.
Well, what is that in inches?
You're at 10 centimeters, but the baby's not coming. We need to prepare for a C-section.
No, I have a birth plan.
Yeah,
I want to push. I want to push.
I know, Wendy, but the baby's heart rate is falling. We need to move now. It's going to be okay.
But I typed it. It's typed. The birth plan. It's ready to go. I'm ready to push. I want to push. Please, I want to push. Please.
So, Jules, you've been doing well. Let's take a look, all right? Okay, let's do this. Push. Here we go. Let's do it.
Say I can do it.
I can do it.
Say I can do it.
I can do it.
Yeah.
I can do it, but I can't do this.
Okay, Skylar.
You're doing great, Tater Tot. Just stay in there.
Bear down and give it all you've got. Ready?
How's his knees?
Wow, that's one baby out.
One down, one to go.